What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden day? Today I am joined by Dylan. Yes, and we are taking these three cars. This is my 1982 Datsun 280ZX. This is my 2009 Hyundai Genesis sedan, and that is my 1972 Jaguar XJ6. We are taking all of these cars. I'm moving to Canada, and so yeah, we're in Kentucky right now, and so we're driving like pretty much 3,000 miles to the Vancouver area. So yeah, I put a message out on my Instagram and Dylan reached out to me, and I am so thankful. Thank you so much. You're amazing. But yeah, so what do you think about this so far?
I'm excited. It's fun. It's questionable, but fun.
Yep,
it's gonna be a good time.
It is very questionable, so I really hope everything goes great. And we might need to also air up some of the tires too. Like, I know the Genesis, one or two of the tires are low, and maybe the Jag, but we're just gonna send it and see what happens. So Dylan is driving the Datsun. So you're actually the second person ever that has driven the Datsun. So I mean, I leave it open for people to drive it, but no one ever drives it. I don't know if they're scared. So good luck. It's very sketchy. You're probably going to rub, but it's going to be fine. So are you ready?
Ready.
Sweet. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, my turn. We're about to leave Campbellsville right now, and so we just got gas and we're about to head off. And we are off. So something has happened, and let me show you. I'm just an idiot. So we were at the gas station, and yeah, I forgot the gas cap on top of the car. So, whoops. And so we tried to check Advanced Auto, but they don't have the right gas cap, and so we're just gonna use duct tape. Hopefully, it'll be fine. Let's see. Ta-da! Oh yeah, it's like Rust-Oleum, so it's fine. Okay, let us resume this. That should work. Okay. The Datsun has also been having an issue where it tries to start but doesn't start, and so yeah, I don't know. So let's see what happens. But fingers crossed. Stomp on the gas pedal. Floor it. Floor the gas, because that's the only way. Are you flooring it? Yeah. Hey! Oh, that's that. Gas! Don't let it die. Keep on. Perfect. Yeah, it is almost impossible to back up this trailer. And yeah, I also want to show you guys this thing. Look at how low this thing is to the ground. Like, literally, like, not even up to a foot. Every time I stop, I say a prayer for the Datsun, because it's like, it just has that starting issue now, and it's just kind of scary. So I'm like, fingers crossed every time. Okay, I heard the fuel pump come on. The gas guy? Oh, you did it. Oh my gosh. Nah, it's just old car problems. It's like, oh, yeah, you should not have stopped giving it gas.
I didn't want it to rev to the moon like last time.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess you have to wait for it to cool a little bit. Or
the next day.
What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazing morning. Well, we are. But yesterday we drove how many? Like 1,200 miles, 1,400 miles, literally all day. And we got to. Right now we are close to the Sioux Falls area, which is we're in Jackson, Minnesota. Yeah. So and then we're going to Sioux Falls. We're gonna go get a COVID test because before you cross the border, you have to show you have a COVID test. So it's hours before. And so when we get there, then we'll take the COVID test. Everything should go fine. But how did the Datsun drive?
It drove great. I would like to buy it from you.
Yeah, which I'm making the joke now that if I'm not able to cross the border with the 3 cars, then it might be for sale. So yeah. So we're just gonna keep chugging along, and we're going to the Badlands today. So I am so excited. And so yeah, you've never been, I've never been. So let's do this. The fall colors are changing. It looks beautiful. And hopefully it doesn't rain on us today because it literally rained for hours yesterday.
At least 7 hours.
Yeah, like over half the drive. And so I was so scared that he was gonna lose control at some point because Datsun doesn't have traction control. It's sketchy.
I hydroplaned 3 times, but it was fine.
Yeah, so, oh my God. And this one, so I was also a little bit scared. But thank God we made it. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain. Actually, it does kind of look like it's gonna rain. So we should probably get out of here as fast as we can. But yes, we will see you on the road. So with that said, bye.
346 minutes later.
Dang, my knee, ow.
What's going on over here?
The Datsun broke.
Much later.